Do you want to run Android emulator on your Windows PC? Then you are in the right place. Today in this video I'm going to show you how can you install your Android emulator with Play Store in your Windows 11 or Windows any version. Just we need to fix that. We have to download this Android Studio over there. You can see this is the official Android Studio website, and just simply download it from here. And one thing more you have to do, which is you have to enable the virtual. That's why you need to go on Windows feature. You can simply type Windows feature, then hit enter. Then you can see one thing, which is virtual machine platform. You have to click on it to mark and OK, and also you have to enable the virtualization in your BIOS setup. So after that we have to open our Android Studio to run the emulator, and this is the official emulator without any hassle, and it's have a security. So after Android Studio, I've already installed, that's why I didn't install it again, but you have to download it and also install this, and this installation process is very simple. So I have many projects, that's why it show a different, but you can see there are the three dots. You can select the virtual device manager over there, just click on it. Now we have to add a device. Just click on this plus button, and you can see a different. If we select our desktop version and large desktop, then click on next, you can see we can't install the latest Android 16 version. You can see the 14 version is all, I think up to 14 version you can select, but we want to install Android 16 on our PC. That's why click on previous and select just a tablet and Pixel tablet over there. Click on it and click on next, and you can see we can select the Baklava Android 16 version, and we want that. That's why I select this. And also you can, one thing, additional settings you can select, and this internal storage is 6 GB. We will select 30 GB. You can select more or decrease more, but I will select the 30 GB. And core CPU might be 4, and RAM just select 4 GB. I think that's enough as an emulator. You can select more 8 GB, but one thing you have to do, if you have more RAM in your PC, then you can select the 50% for the fluent running. So my RAM is 8 GB, that's why I will select 4 GB. So after that we have to download this component. You can see this is the 1.8 GB component file, and we have to wait for this installation. After installation we can run our emulator, so we have to wait for some times. It's dependent on your internet speed also. So after our SDK installation we have to click on finish and click finish again. Now you can see our Pixel tablet added here. Just we have to play this. And we have to wait for a minute. You can see the loading here. Here you can see our emulator, and it's also starting right now. We have to wait for a minute. So here you can see our emulator is running right now, and here is your Play Store, and also you can see lots of application over there. and you can simply sign in your Gmail, and you can also download any application from Play Store with Friendly. So I hope you will like this video. If you like this video, do like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you so much.